Hi, students. Ms. Miles here. Welcome to the Miles Ahead classroom. I'm so excited you stopped by to visit me today because we have a fun activity lined up. Get ready to use your ears. That's right, it's a listening activity. Today, we'll be listening to the sounds of different animals. And here's a hint. They're animals that many people have as common pets. A pet is an animal that lives with people in their homes or yards. Pets are special because they are like friends that you take care of, play with, and love. Just like we need food, water, and a place to sleep, pets need those things too. Having a pet is a big responsibility, but it's also lots of fun. Some examples of pets are dogs. They love to play, go for walks, and give you lots of love. Cats. They like to cuddle, purr, and sometimes chase toys around. Fish. They live in a tank of water and are fun to watch as they swim around. Hamsters. Tiny, furry animals that like to run on wheels and burrow in their bedding. Birds. Some birds can sing, whistle, and even talk. Pets are great because they can make you happy, and you can make them happy by taking care of them. Now that you're in the know and ready to go, let's get started. Make sure your ears are clear and your listening skills are sharp. Let's dive in. What do you hear? You heard a rabbit? What do you hear? You heard a dog. What do you hear? You heard a fish. What do you hear? You heard a lizard. What do you hear? You heard a snake. What do you hear? You heard a hamster? What do you hear? You heard a cat. What do you hear? You heard a tortoise. What do you hear? You heard a bird. What do you hear? You heard a horse. What do you hear? You heard a frog. Excellent job, students. You did an amazing job using your ears to listen to the sounds pets make. Were there any sounds that surprised you? Or maybe you have a pet at home that wasn't included in the video. Let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom today. I had such a great time learning with you. And remember, Because you visited, you're already miles ahead. Until next time, bye, students.